Good morning, children. So, welcome back to our English class again. So, we were going ahead with the chapter tenses. And in the last video, hope you all have understood the simple present, the simple past, and the simple future tense. Now, today in this video, we are going to know or get the knowledge about present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. So before coming to the topic, let me tell you one thing. One table I have sent you, children, the present tense and the past tense. So first form of the verb, the present, the action, the verb that is going on. So for present continuous tense, see the word present means जो अभी चल रहा है, continuous means what is the meaning of continuous? Continue, टू कैरी ऑन, जो चीज़ अभी चल रही है, एंड टेंस. अच्छा, और एक चीज़ जो मुझे सबसे बड़ी चीज़ कॉन्टिन्यूस के लिए बतानी है, दैट इज़ द ING फॉर्म. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस ING फॉर्म. सी यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेजेंट. ओके, तो जो हमारा एक्शन होता है बेटा प्रेजेंट का V1 फॉर्म, उसमें हम ऐड कर देते हैं ING, लाइक सिंग. Present, the very first form of the verb, sing. You are going to add ING to make it a V1 plus ING form. Like play. Play is an action verb, first form of the verb. You are going to add ING to make it a ing form. Verb plus ING. So, you all have understood catch, catching, throw, throwing, play, playing. So in all the continuous tenses, present ho, past ho या future ho, means the present, the past and the future, we are going to use this word when we are going to use this continuous word. जहाँ भी आपका continuous जैसा शब्द या वर्ड आता है, वहाँ पर ये ING फॉर्म ही हम यूज़ करते हैं बेटा. ओके, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब के साथ हम ऐड कर देते हैं ING. तो ये तो होता ही होता है, बाकी सारी चीज़ें हम फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग सीखेंगे. सो कम टू द टॉपिक. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस मीन्स, एज द वर्ड इज टेलिंग यू, प्रेजेंट जो अभी का है, जो कि कॉन्टिन्यू भी है और किस टाइम हो रहा है, ये हमें बताता है. सो लेट्स गो टू द डेफिनेशन. वी यूज द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन. हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का यूज़ वहाँ करते हैं जिस एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, दैट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, जो कि चल रहा है, एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. मीन्स जब हम उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं, इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तब भी वो एक्शन कंटिन्यूटी में है, वो चीज़ चल रही है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज टू एक्सप्रेस अ फ्यूचर प्लान ऑफ एक्शन. जो हमारे फ्यूचर का प्लान है एक्शन का, वो भी हमें एक्सप्रेस करने में मदद करता है. व्हाट इज़ द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस एंड द स्पेसिफिक वर्ड, द हेल्पिंग वर्ब दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन दिस टू प्रेजेंट द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ING. So he is doing, yes, he is doing his homework. For example, I always go with am. एक बात हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, is with the singular form, I हमेशा am के साथ ही जाएगा, none of the other word, and are will go with the future forms. So is, he is a singular, he is doing his homework. I am reading English grammar. I am reading. See, the ING form is there, the am is there, and the subject is there. So this is all in present continuous tense. Now the exercises. The teacher teach in the class. So see the very first line of exercise 4. The teacher teach in the class. First form of the verb. Now you are going to change the simple present tense into present continuous tense. Now the answer will be the teacher. टीचर चूँकि सिंगुलर है, इसलिए हम इसका यूज़ करेंगे. इज़ टीचिंग इन द क्लास, वो क्लास में पढ़ा रही है. सिमिलरली विथ आई, यू नो वेरी वेल कि हम इसमें एम का यूज़ करेंगे. आई एम, राइट विल चेंज इन टू ING फॉर्म. इट विल बिकम राइटिंग अ लेटर टू माई फ्रेंड. boys, now the boys are the plural one, हम ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं, more than one, so we are going to use are with it. Boys are, swim will change into ing form, swimming. And the sun, shine, the sun is shining in the sky. So this is all for the present continuous tense. Now come to past continuous tense. Okay, now past, as you all know, you all have understood about past. पास्ट है जो कि बीत चुका है, जा चुका है. और कॉन्टिन्यूस, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू द वर्ड कॉन्टिन्यूस मीन्स पास्ट में भी जो एक्शन हमारा कंटिन्यू रहा था, जिसमें हमें कुछ मोमेंट को दिखाना है, उसे हम प्रेजेंट करेंगे पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस की हेल्प से. Now the definition of past continuous tenses, we use the past continuous tense to express an action which was actually taking place at some particular time. So again I am reading the definition. We use the past continuous tense to express an action which was actually taking place at some particular moment in the past. So actually taking place, जो कि बिल्कुल सच में जिसने प्लेस लिया at the moment in the past. And the words that we are going to use in this was and were plus ing form. So she was going to her village. She with the singular, and they, we are going to use were. They were working at that time. So for examples, we can see the exercise also. He worked in a factory when I met him last. वो क्या कर रहा था? काम कर रहा था. Now work in the simple present. You are going to change it in the past continuous tense. Exercise 5, number 1 I am talking. So how will you change? Yes, you have to use was, you have to use ing form. He was working. देखो कितना सिंपल सा प्रेजेंट में हम एग्जाम का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, एंड इन पास्ट टेंस वी वर यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला was, were plus ing. So work will change into working, and you are going to add was. He was working in a factory when I met him last. I read a book when he came in. So how will you write it in the past tense, past continuous tense? I was reading. Reading will change into ing form, was reading. It rained this morning when I got up. It was raining this morning when I got up. When I went to his house, he played with his chess with his wife. So how will you change it? When I went to his house, he was playing chess with his wife. This is all for the past continuous tense, to express an action which was actually taking place at some particular, एक पूरे particular moment in the past. And the next that we are going to discuss is future continuous tense. Yes, as I informed you or as I told you, with future, the word will and shall, it has to be there, children. Like continuous, जैसा कि मैं बता रही हूँ, ing form has to be there. And with future, future means will and shall you are going to add. आपको will और shall तो ले आना है, rest of the things will be added from the formula. So future continuous, future, now first of all discuss the meaning of future, जो कि आगे आने वाला है, और आगे आने वाले समय में वो कंटिन्यू रहेगा, उस टेंस को हमें पढ़ना है. ठीक है. So the definition of this, we use the future continuous tense when an action is in progress at a given future time. जो काम होएगा या प्रोग्रेस में रहेगा किसी फ्यूचर टाइम में, एंड द फॉर्मूला विल बी विल शैल प्लस बी प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ing. तो विल और शैल तो हमें यूज़ करना ही है, प्लस उसमें हमें फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस को दिखाना था. हमें सिंपल फ्यूचर में हम क्या ऐड कर रहे थे? विल शैल प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. बट इन फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस, चिल्ड्रेन, वी आर यूजिंग will, shall plus be plus ing. Now you can see the example. We shall. See, shall we are using. Now be we have to add for future continuous tense को दिखाने के लिए हमें be word का use करना है. Shall be having, have will change into ing form, having coffee after dinner as usual. He will be having leaving in a few days. So here is the exercise. He drive his new car this afternoon. He will be, you are going to use will and you are going to use be plus ing form. The answer will be he will be driving his new car in the afternoon. At this time tomorrow I sit in the train. Now here sit in the simple present form. You are going to change it for the future continuous tense. So it will change into the answer at this time tomorrow I shall, I साथ आप shall use कर रहे हैं. Shall be sit will change into sitting in the train. I wait for you when you come at. I shall be waiting for you when you come out. The sky is dark. It rains before you reach home. So the sky is dark. It, you are going to add will be, rain will change into raining before you reach home. So you are going to add will, shall plus be plus ing form to make the future continuous tense, children. So to understand the future continuous or the continuous form, I am sending you the table also to learn few example for a first form present and V1 plus ing form of verb. The V1 form present, jump will change into jumping, drive will change into driving, sit will change into sitting, read reading, teach teaching, swim swimming, shine shining, write writing, run running, play playing, take taking, win winning and sleep sleeping. इस तरह से और बहुत से वर्ड हैं जो चेंज होते हैं, बट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू वो तभी चेंज होंगे जब हम कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म को लेंगे, तो हमें आईएनजी फॉर्म में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is all for tenses: simple present, simple past, simple future. So and then present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. We have covered the 6 streams of tenses in class 4. So this is all for tenses, children. I'll be taking revision also for tenses, don't worry, but first of all you go ahead with the exercises. Please do the exercises only in your copy, nothing else, and please keep the PDF with you to learn the notes or to know the formulas of the future continuous tense, past and present continuous tense. So children, I know it is a tough topic for you all, but be careful and learn the things so it will be very easier for you all. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Till then, be happy and be safe.